Alright everyone, Wolfpack's in the house. I just set up all the signage for the semi-final game. Rogers Center, November 11th, 2012. New sponsors like Pepsi, the nice Edmonton Eskimo Canada Post edition. I love it. We're still doing some more tomorrow. Cable cam people are here. Our LEDs are right there and they're looking good. I will be seeing you, Mr. Field Paint, very soon. Alright everyone, I'm just doing some work here for the Toronto Argonauts versus Edmonton Eskimos game, semi-final game, CFL style, November 11th, 2012. I'm watching the cable camera there do its thing. It's all wired up. I'm just doing some work here, some banner work as you can see. I got my Kubota cart, 4x4, I love this thing. I'm blocking this discount. Seat cover's not done proper. I'm not gonna say names. This should be down to the ground. So now I have to just cover with some pipe and drape, and I already did my A-frames all the way around field. We powered up the LEDs there, and then we just shut them down. So they're all ready for the game tomorrow. TSN's all ready for tomorrow. It's an empty house right now. It's gonna be insane tomorrow. Let's pray the Argos go all the way. Shout out to my family, I love you all. So proud to be able to do this. I love it, love it, love it. 9 years. 9 years later. It's amazing. Adios, amigos. Alright everyone, Wolfpack in the house. November 11th game, 2012. CFL semi-final playoffs. These are the cable cam guys. They're rigging the cable cam right now. We just got our LED, $4 million LED setup, set everything in place. It's all running. Gotta love it. Shout out to my family. Couldn't ask for much better.
Quarterback number 15. Led by head coach Scott Milovich and the rest of your Toronto Argonauts.
Yo, Phil! Wolfpack, November 11th. Wolfpack's in the house. Yeah. Alright everyone, just finished our teardown. It was intense, but we got her done. The Argos won the game. Say goodbye to the LEDs, and all the A-frames, and the tents, and everything else. And it's only 8:50. We rock! Shout out to my family, I love y'all. And my friends, you rock too. Hope to see you all soon. I am out of this place. I am 3 days in and tired as hell. Adios, amigos.